afternoon everyone. Today we are going to have another exercise, that is exercise 2.6 from your quadratic equation, which is your chapter from mathematics part 1. Now we move towards the last article from chapter number 2, that is quadratic equation, and the name of the article is application of quadratic equation. That means we have to study some word problems based on quadratic equation. So here we are with practice set 2.6. I shall read first problem. Look at the first problem. It says product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. So to start with the solution, I have considered, suppose the girl who is Pragati, suppose Pragati's present age is equal to x, alphabet x. Hence her age 2 years ago, ago म्हणजे 2 वर्ष मागे. So 2 years ago it would be x minus 2. And her age 3 years hence, hence म्हणजे पुढे 3 वर्षानंतर तिचं वय असेल x plus 3 years. So according to the problem, what problem says that we will see. According to the problem, product of her age 2 years before and 3 years after. So 2 years ago and 3 years hence. So product of these two is equal to 84. So x minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 84. Therefore, let us open the bracket. X into x, x square. X into 3, it will be 3x. Now we'll multiply with minus 2. Minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Minus 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. It will be minus 6. Here what I have done, x square as it is, plus 3x minus 2x. So 2x will be subtracted from 3x. So only x will remain, minus 6. Now shift 84 from this side to this side. It is plus 84. So on this side it becomes minus 84. So x square plus x, minus 6 and minus 84. So we have to add them. It will be 90, but the sign will be minus. So x square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. So this will be our equation, or this will be our quadratic equation from this particular. So we will factorize 90 so as to get subtraction as 1. So here are the possible factors of 90. 10 nines are 90 and 10 minus 9 will give us 1 or middle term. So it will be x square. Now this x can be written as 10x minus 9x in this way. So 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. What is common in first two terms? Common in first two, it is x. X is common in these two terms. So I have taken x common. So it will be x plus 10. Similarly, in these next two consecutive terms, we have minus 9 as common. Minus 9 is common in both. Taking minus 9 common, once again you have same bracket x plus 10 here. So taking this bracket itself as common, we have x plus 10 and another bracket will be x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, product of these two bracket is equal to 0 means either first bracket x plus 10 is equal to 0 or second bracket x minus 9 is equal to 0. So x will be equal to then minus 10. This plus 10 shifted to this side becomes minus 10. And this minus 9 will be shifted and you have x is equal to 9. but age cannot be negative. Age cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 10. We cannot accept. So x cannot be equal to minus 10. So what will be x then? Second value, x is equal to 9. But x is nothing but present age of Pragati. So present age of Pragati will be 9 years. Now this is the second sum. I'll read it, what is there in the textbook. The sum of the squares of two consecutive natural number is 244. Find the numbers. But there is small correction here. Here it should be even natural number. So sum of two consecutive even natural number is 244. You people have to do this correction in your textbook as well as while writing in your class workbook. So add even here. Therefore, in solution, I have considered, suppose two consecutive even natural numbers be x and x plus 2. Because you know the difference between two consecutive natural numbers is always 2. So if first number is x, then second will be greater than x by 2. So it will be x plus 2. Therefore first number x and second number x plus 2. But according to the problem, what problem says? The sum of the squares. Squares करना है आपको और उसकी sum. So sum of the squares. X square, here I have taken x square plus what is the square of next number? It will be x plus 2 whole square is equal to, by problem, it is equal to 244. Now we move forward. Here we are. Let us open the bracket. So after opening the bracket, what we have? X square as it is. Now let us open x plus 2 whole square as a plus b whole square. So it will be a square plus 2ab, so 2 into x into 2, it becomes 4x plus 2 square is 4. Now I have shifted this plus 244 to this side, it becomes minus 244 is equal to 0. So x square plus x square will give us 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 will give us minus 240. So we have 2x square plus 4x minus 240 is equal to 0. Now you can see here in all these three terms, 1, 2 and 3, all these three terms, you can take 2 as a common factor. So after taking 2 common, here you have x square plus 2x minus 240, taking 2 common, only 120 will remain is equal to 0. Now product of these two into this bracket is equal to 0. But as 2 is not equal to 0, so this bracket must be equal to 0. So therefore x square plus 2x minus 120, this itself will be equal to 0. Therefore x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. This I have written because I have to factorize 120 so as to get subtraction as 2. So the possible factors which I have written are 12 tens are 120 and 12 minus 10 will be equal to 2. So it will be x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. What is common in these two terms? So x will be common in these two terms. Taking x common, you have x plus 12 here. In these two terms, minus 10 will be a common factor. So taking minus 10 common, again you have x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now this bracket itself, x plus 12 is common, taking x plus 12 as the common bracket. Next bracket will be x minus 10. So x plus 12 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. That gives us either x plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. So if x plus 12 is equal to 0, x can take the value as minus 12, or when x minus 10 is equal to 0, x can take the value as plus 10. But according to the problem, x is a natural number and the value x is equal to minus 12 is not a natural number. So we cannot accept this particular value for this problem. So what will be our x then? Next value, which is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 is our first natural number. Therefore, here I have written smaller even natural number which is equal to x will be equal to 10, and greater even natural number is equal to x plus 2. So it will be 10 plus 2. So second natural number will be 12. Now, a small instruction for you. Problem number 3 have been deleted from the portion for March 2021 or 2021 SSC exam. So we move towards example number 4 directly by skipping example number 3. Vivek is older than or elder than. Vivek is elder than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1/6. Find the present ages of Vivek and Kishore. This is your problem number 4. So let us consider who is the younger one. Kishore is the younger one. Chota कौन है? Kishore. So suppose present age of Kishore is equal to x years. As the condition which is given in the problem is that Vivek is elder to Kishore. Vivek हा Kishore पेक्षा 5 वर्षांनी मोठा आहे. Therefore present age of Vivek will be equal to x plus 5 more years. So it will be x plus 5 years. So according to problem, sum of the reciprocals of the ages, reciprocal याचा अर्थ त्याच्या विरुद्ध. So it will be 1/x plus 1/x plus 5. Reciprocal of Kishore's age plus reciprocal of Vivek's age is equal to 1/6 according to the problem. Taking cross multiplication here, x plus 5 into 1, it will be x plus 5 plus 1 into x as x. In the denominator, it will be x into x plus 5. So I have written here x into x plus 5 is equal to 1/6. Therefore, x plus x becomes 2x plus 5 divided by, let us multiply by x. X into x gives us x square plus x into 5 will be 5x is equal to 1/6. Now I will take cross multiplication from both the sides. So I will multiply by 6 to 2x plus 5. So it will be 6 into 2x plus 5 is equal to 1 into x square plus 5x. So 1 into x square plus 5x. Open the bracket. 6 into 2, 6 into, it is 2x. 6 into 2x, 12x plus 6 5s are 30. So multiplying by 1. So 1 into x square as x square, 1 into 5x as 5x. Now shift all the terms to one side only. What I have done here, I have shifted 12x and 30 to this side. So it will be x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30. So x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30. Here I have written x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 is equal to nothing left to this side, so it will be equal to 0. Now x square plus 5x minus 12x. So 5 will be subtracted from 12 will give us minus 7x. So x square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Now we have to factorize it. So here are the factors. Factorize 30 so as to get subtraction as 7. So the possible factors which are there, I have written here 10 3s are 30 and 10 minus 3 will give us 7, which is our middle term. So splitting of the middle term, x square minus 7x can be written as minus 10x plus 3x. It is 7x. Minus 10x plus 3x gives us 7x. Minus 30 is equal to 0. What is common in these two terms? X is common. Taking x common, we have x minus 10. What is common in these two? Only 3. Again, it will be x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now, x minus 10 bracket itself is common. So, it will be x minus 10. And what will be the another bracket? X plus 3 is equal to. So, product of these two bracket is equal to 0 means either first bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x will be equal to 10 or x will be equal to minus 3. But age cannot be negative. Therefore, value of x which is equal to minus 3 cannot be acceptable. So, x cannot be equal to minus 3. So, therefore, x will be 10, which is acceptable to us. Therefore, present age of Kishore, the younger brother or younger friend, present age of Kishore, which is equal to x, will be equal to x, which is equal to 10 years, and present age of Vivek, who is elder to him by 5 years. So, it will be x plus 5, that means 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 years. Now, we'll move towards next problem. Now, one more important thing. As a note here I have written problem number 5 and problem number 6. These two problems have been deleted from your portion, and that is only for SSC March 2021. So for March 2021, these two problems have been deleted. So we have to move towards problem number 7. I will read the problem for you and then we will start solving this problem. This problem can come in the exam for 4 marks. So practice the example quite nicely at home. Problem is Pratik is a person who takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. The speed of the boat in still water is 12 km per hour. Find the speed of water current. So this is your problem. We shall start solving the problem. So what is asked? We have to find speed of the river current. म्हणजेच वाहणाऱ्या नदीच्या प्रवाहाची गती आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायची. So in this solution, suppose speed of river current is equal to x kilometer per hour. To understand this problem better, I have drawn one diagram. So we'll see that diagram first and then once again we'll start solving this problem. So here is that diagram. Water current, मराठीमध्ये आपण म्हणूया रिव्हर. एक नदी दाखवली आहे आणि त्या नदीमध्ये वाहणारी एक बोट सुद्धा दाखवली. So we'll try to understand two words which are given in this particular problem. Those words are downstream and upstream. Downstream म्हणजे प्रवाहाबरोबर बोट खाली वाहत येणं आणि अपस्ट्रीम म्हणजे हिअर आय हॅव शोन. अपस्ट्रीम म्हणजे बोट प्रवाहाच्या विरुद्ध दिशेला वरच्या दिशेला जाणे. सो दिस पर्टिक्युलर डायरेक्शन इज डाउनस्ट्रीम and this particular direction is upstream. Water flows in this direction. The formula which we need to use, formula you have studied in 9th standard, speed is equal to distance upon time. So therefore shifting time and speed from both the side, time will be equal to distance upon speed. In this problem, we have considered speed of the boat as x and speed of water in still water. मराठीमध्ये आपण संथ पाणी म्हणतो. Speed of the water is 12. So when boat travels downstream, it will travel much faster. So boat will take the speed of the boat in downstream will be 12 plus x. Speed of the boat in still water is 12 and speed of the river current is x. So when boat flows downstream, its speed will increase and it will be 12 plus x. Whereas when boat travels upstream, naturally speed will get decreased and it will be 12 minus x. So here we are in the solution. Speed of the river current is equal to x. Speed of boat in still water is 12 km per hour, which is given in the problem. Therefore, speed of boat in downstream, मराठी ज्याला आपण म्हणूया की बोट जेव्हा खाली येईल तेव्हा तिची स्पीड असेल तिची स्वतःची स्पीड प्लस पाण्याचा स्पीड. सो इट विल बी 12 प्लस एक्स. अँड स्पीड ऑफ बोट इन अपस्ट्रीम, जेव्हा बोट वर जाईल तर तिची स्पीड ही कमी होईल आणि ती स्पीड असेल बोटच्या स्पीडमधून पाण्याचा जो प्रवाह आहे त्याची स्पीड आपल्याला कमी करावी लागेल. सो इट वुड बी 12 मायनस एक्स किलोमीटर पर आवर. As we have already seen in that short diagram, that speed is equal to distance upon time. Therefore, time will be equal to distance upon speed. So using this particular formula, I have taken time taken by boat to travel actually 36 kilometer time. 36 kilometer the boat have to travel. So time taken by boat to travel 36 kilometer downstream. Downstream म्हणजे खाली. So it will be time is equal to distance upon speed. Here it is. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is 36 kilometer and speed of the boat downstream is 12 plus x. So it will be 36 upon 12 plus x. It is the time. So it will be in hours. Similarly, time taken by boat to travel 36 kilometer upstream. आता प्रवाहाच्या विरुद्ध जायचे. Distance is same 36 but speed in upstream direction is 12 minus x. So distance 36, speed 12 minus x hours. So according to the problem, this Pratik takes 8 hours, means total time upstream and downstream. Sum of these two time will be equal to 8. Therefore, 36 upon 12 plus x plus 36 upon 12 minus x is equal to 8 hours. Taking 36 common, you have 36 outside. It will be 1 upon 12 plus x plus 1 upon 12 minus x is equal to 8. Therefore, 1 upon 12 plus x plus 1 upon 12 minus x will be equal to 8 upon, shifting this 36 to this side, it will be 8 upon 36. Taking cross multiplication now, 12 minus x into 1, it will be 12 minus x plus 1 into 12 plus x as 12 plus x. You can write 12 minus x here and 12 plus x this side. So 12 plus x plus 12 minus x upon this into this. So it will be 12 plus x into 12 minus x is equal to 8 upon 36. Here plus x minus x get cancelled. Cancelling these two x, you have 12 plus 12 as 24 upon a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, expansion of this will be a square minus b square. So it will be 12 square minus x square is equal to, divide 8 upon 36 or reduce it. So reducing it will be 2 upon 9. So 24 upon 12 square is 144 minus x square is equal to 2 upon 9. Taking cross multiplication, here we are. So after taking cross multiplication, what we have that we'll see. Okay, so it will be 24 into 9 is equal to 2 into this one, 2 into 144 minus x square. 24 into 9 is equal to 2 into 144 minus x square. Shifting to this side, it will be 24 into 9 divided by 2 is equal to 144 minus x square as it is. Divide 24 by 2, it will be 12. So 12 into, so it will be 12 into 9 is equal to 144 minus x square. 12 nines are 108. Shift 144 to this side, it will be minus 144 is equal to minus x square. Subtracting these two terms, you have minus 36 is equal to minus x square. Cancelling negative sign from both the sides, x square will be equal to 36. So taking square root on both the sides, x will be equal to either plus or minus 6. But speed cannot be negative. Therefore, x which is equal to minus 6 is not acceptable. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Finally, therefore, x which is speed of river current is equal to 6, but it should be in kilometers per hours.